All right, quick look over at Tesla. We have a trend line we've been holding since March 2020. That is a significant amount of time. So this trend line has been tested 3 different times and we have pushed off significantly each time as well. We do have room to get down there before we test it. We're looking at that 165 area, somewhere in there. And then if we do reverse and push higher, we need a break of 323 in order to push us outside of our downward direction. All right, looking at the weekly chart, we tried to break above a couple times the last couple weeks and just could not hold. This has been such a tough area to get through. But something to take note of is when we do push and test this trend line, we do get a nice reversal off of that trend line again. So you can use that Tesla strat in reverse, test the trend line and move further down. Looking at our daily chart, we are in a squeeze here. We need over 275 or under 237. As much as it felt like we just tumbled on Friday, you can see we actually just came right down to that trend line. So we are in post further down. I think we're testing 235-ish right now. So we could hold the breakout to the downside and see some continuation on down. But for right now, if we do pop and hold above, we need below 237 or above 275 heading into next week. Looking left, we do have a gap fill right here. So from this 218, 219 up to about 238. So we've got a nice big gap fill right through here, an older one. So it looks like we could just be rebalancing and filling these gaps to the downside. And then we have that lower trend line down here. But for now, let's see if we get the breakout and if we go ahead and we fill this gap down to that 219 area.